So let me ask you, did you violate this girl?
You have proof?
Of course I do.
Show it. I thought so.
I'm not supposed to show it to you.
Listen here, lady. I'm going to tell you this one time. No. I didn't do anything. I don't know anything.
So tell me, what did you do that day? What did you see?
Well, the girl was a little ill. And, tell you the truth, she was so clumsy. Dropped some dishes, broke everything. I just, I let her go after that. I didn't want to.
You let her go, or did you drop her to her house?
I didn't drop her to a house.
Listen, I want to help you. If you tell me the truth, I'll let you out from imprisonment. So, I'm asking for the last time. Tell me honestly.
Last time. Listen here, lady. Last time. You've asked this so many times again. Stop disturbing me, okay? I'm a busy man. Let me go. I don't have time for this.
We'll see that.
Sure.
Okay then. You can leave now. His hands and eyes are in different direction. This shows he is lying. Ignorance shows that he is hiding something. Shrugging shows that he has no confidence. He is making up stories. Bad liar.